Hi, I'm Roland Beynon. We milk 300 cows here in North Pembrokeshire with my brother, 3 sons, and my sons are the 8th generation to farm on this farm. My boys saw the ad from EASYFIX on social media with pictures of a few cubicles, and there was an ad in the local farming magazine with EASYFIX with the local rep's telephone number. So I gave him a ring and he popped out. Once Reese called around and had a chat with us, we decided that we had to see the product firsthand. So Reese arranged for us to visit several farms with layouts similar to what we wanted, which was very helpful. So he took us up to Scotland and several farms from there down all the way to Cornwall who had installed EASYFIX cubicles over the years. And yeah, we thought they were great. When we were visiting the other farms, we saw a few of the other products available from EASYFIX. We saw the cow mattresses, which we thought were very comfortable for the cows, and also the lane matting, which takes the stress off the cows when they're eating. We thought it would be an advantage to have that, basically for the benefit of the cows. Well, we went with the evolved barrier because we got a varying size of cow in the herd, and which makes it more awkward to set a single neck rail. So the EASYFIX Evolve is a lot more comfortable for the cow. They can also reach a bit further, and we just think you've got to go down every route for cow comfort. Yeah, we picked EASYFIX because we think cow comfort has got to be #1 in our shed. And I think EASYFIX did suit that bill, and it also helped that they've got a 10-year guarantee. I'd recommend them to anybody so far, and yeah, anybody can come and see them on the farm.